Exploring the health benefits of music therapy. Each year, the average American spends $960 trying to find some way to relieve stress, highlighting the fact that we're more anxious than ever. However, given the sums involved, it's clear whatever's been done to date isn't working. Perhaps, the time's come to taking a harder look at other more effective, less pricey alternatives to the status quo. For example, while music is generally thought to be just a pleasant pastime, recent studies have shown that it can also be a viable way of relieving stress and anxiety. So much so, that many clinicians and practitioners are now turning to music therapy as another treatment option in dealing with stressed-out patients. Sadness, for instance, can be substantially reduced by the calming effect of music. Music can help reduce pain in people who are overly anxious. What's more, relaxing sounds can act as a soothing background for progressive muscle relaxation. Meditation, nature walks, massage, yoga, or guided visualizations. So, what exactly is music therapy? Traditional music therapy is when you use music, sounds, and/or musical instruments as a way to help treat either a physical or psychological condition. Currently, there are two types of music therapy in use. Active, where you use instruments, voices, or objects to create music. And receptive, where you listen to music in a relaxed setting. However, it's not uncommon for music therapists to also combine music therapy with other forms of treatment, like behavioral therapy, cognitive behavioral therapy, and psychodynamic therapy. Given the right combination, you're much more likely to approach a holistic approach in your treatment, as well as increasing the likelihood of having a favorable outcome. At home, music can also be used to reduce anxiety, stress, and worry. Check out your own music library to see if any particular sounds, songs, or musical genres are able to reduce your current tension load. Or, you may enjoy listening to other types of sounds and music that could help in knocking down your stress level another notch or two. Who knows, you might fancy the exotic sounds of a didgeridoo, kalimba, or xylophone. What's more, you could even explore your own musical talents and create a unique sound of your own. Helpful hints. When selecting music to reduce tension, it's best to choose songs that are genuinely relaxing, rather than harder-edged pieces that are more stimulating or emotionally charged. To boost relaxation, try listening to soft music throughout the day, like when you're caught in traffic, on the job, or chilling out at home. Who knows? Now might be the perfect time to pull out some of your favorite tunes. Recall the fun times as well as get yourself ready for whatever lies ahead. The choice is yours. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, share with a friend, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.